Hi guys, I'm Danny. Today we're unboxing the brand new GoPro Hero 5 Black. First we're gonna unbox the GoPro. This is the GoPro. This is the stickers for the GoPro. This is the stickers. This is the desktop app. The USB charger. These are the two clips that come with it. This is the way to open it. Just put it up like this. Show you to open it. You put this thing up. Then you get your fingers, put this here, and you put it back. This is how you open it. Then you get this is the GoPro. Be careful, do not touch the lens. Here, this you put this up, then you get this down, then you push it. I got the GoPro out. This is the flex cam. We're gonna unbox it too to mount the GoPro on it. This is the flex cam. I will open it now. Here's the flex cam to mount the GoPro on it. Here's the final setup. We're gonna unbox this too. It's the dual battery charger. This is the dual battery charger. You could charge two batteries. This is the dual battery charger. You could charge two batteries. They already gave you another battery. This is the way to put it in. This is the USB charger. We're gonna wrap up the video now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.